Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're about to take the Prelude out for a drive. Now, I've already driven the car already last night. It was nighttime. It's kind of sketch because it doesn't have power steering. I don't have it hooked up yet. That was like the only problem. I didn't realize like it was going to be that hard to drive without power steering. But other than that, everything else seemed to be fine. But it's daytime now, so we can actually take it for a rip and I can record it and y'all can see everything. Alright, so it's no reason to waste any time. Let's go ahead and get this thing started up. This can test the cold start because I haven't started it since last night. So let's see how it starts. Shit, we got gear, yo. Let's see. Not bad. Still got some things we gotta tinker out, but that's okay. Let's check under the hood. Yeah, so the cold start's a little rough, but once it warm up, it should be fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all mounted up and let the car warm up, and let's go for a drive. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and pull it in my driveway and let it finish warming up. Let's go ahead and move it out. No power steering. It's a little bit quieter. I'll put the silencer in, but I definitely need to do like a resonator or something because it's a little too loud. I gotta check engine light. I gotta see what's that about. But I'm gonna just let it finish warming up. It's idling at about like 1,000 RPM, which is fine. This car got 210,000 miles on it. It's crazy. Open up the sunroof. Get a little more light in. Alright, I'm gonna let it finish warming up. Alright, go ahead and go. I'm just going around the block and coming right back. Cars. Make sure there's no police. I'm not gonna rev it out. I need to do an oil change on it because the oil was kind of slushy, kind of gross. So I put some new oil in there, but all the old stuff still need to go through the system. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the oil before I try to rage it. Going to second pretty good. Let's try third. No power steering. The whole front end is not even bolted up, like the fenders and the bumper, the headlights, none of that. It's loud. I'm only getting it up to probably like 2,500 RPM. Gotta do something about that. I'll try to open it up one time. Yeah, I think that's too loud. That's way too loud. Ah, shit. Alright, we're back. It's crazy. Let's take a look on the outside. Looking at the outside of the car. Got a little exhaust leak right there. That's probably why it's so loud. But that area, if you haven't seen my exhaust video, please go watch it. I use like a flex pipe to replace the cap, and it's leaking right there. So I'm gonna get a resonator and I'm gonna weld that on right there. Hopefully quiet it down. You can hear, I mean, she's purring, no ticking, no nothing. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end it there. I might have some friends come over. I might drive it with them, but I'm just trying not to piss my neighbors off too much because it's really loud. Like, it's louder than I ever expected. So I'm gonna do something about that. And also in the next video, I'm gonna get the power steering hooked up because this is crazy. This is just too much. So I got everything to hook it up. I think I'm just missing a couple nuts. So I'm gonna get those nuts and get it all hooked up. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all excited for the Prelude content. It's alive. I mean, She's good. You gotta check in light, but that's okay. ABS. Cooling is like perfect. It's blowing hot air, so that's good. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. I appreciate y'all watching, really do.